Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm ready with yet another video. My name is Renu. For those who have not subscribed to my channel, they can simply subscribe for more updates on immigration to Canada. These days, I'm talking about TR to PR pathway, so let's dive into it. Today's topic is not going to be about the timeline because a lot of you have questioned how quickly you will be able to get through. There is no as such any rule, but yes, I can only talk about the guidelines, what we can do to expedite the process. Now, vacation would be starting for IRCC from Christmas, so it would be from December 25th onwards till January 3rd, and January 4th is the day which probably would get you more rollouts, and that's the scenario which we are seeing right now. I got hold of a couple of timelines, but they are really not good in numbers since everybody is going to be on vacation now. Now, in case if you have already reached to the stage of AOR, I would highly recommend you can definitely raise a web form with your concerns if you would like to. And in case if you have not been able to link up the application, I have covered a whole video step by step onto it. So you can simply go under my channel, and I have been sharing the link in each and every video where you can link up the application with your UCI number or your family name, and I've provided you with the tips and tricks how you can do it. So all you have to do is just go through that video. That will help you. In case if you would like to go about the IRCC web form, so this is actually the page where you actually raise the web form. I have explained the process. I'll just quickly do it. So all you have to do is go on secure.cic.gc.ca, or even on Google, you can just type in IRCC web form and it would directly take you to this page. All you have to do is just go under this option where you see here like type of application. So you can simply go under replacement documents or amendments to documents or verification of status. And then when you scroll it down, you can put the whole summary into this. There's of course a limit like 1500 characters. So just make sure that you have the query, you put it inside this column. Put your family name, given name, email address, date of birth, all extra information, and client ID number. And this is what I was about to talk, application number. So you might not have that application. So all you have to do is you can call IRCC customer support. Now this is one of the trick I'm just sharing with you, and a lot of actually applicant got through it. So you can reach out to IRCC customer support as soon as possible because they will be going on off very soon too. So you just have 2 or 3 days. I would say it's 1-888-242-2100. And as the time I have already mentioned, try to get hold of them during morning hours. So that's the time when probably there is no much queue, and you can ask for the temporary file number. In case if they are able to get you, there is ability, you definitely can link up your application. So that's one. Again, as I said, that this is not in your hand. Your application has to be loaded on GCMS system by centralized management. It's just that a lot of you are still anxious and wanted to try it this way. So this is one of, or you can just wait for IRCC to get back to you. There's also a way you can try to make a different account. Now why? Because sometimes when you link up your account with with GCK, it has that study permit or work permit. So the account what you had with IRCC was of study permit and work permit, and sometimes it doesn't click. So that is one of the reason. So try to create a new account and then try to link up your application. Sometimes it does work where when you link up, you will see that there was an ADR pending in your, there might be an ADR pending in your portal for PCC or maybe for biometrics or IMM 5669 form for 7 days or maybe 15 days. So just keep that in mind, give it a shot. Now, in case if you're not able to link up, don't do it for more than 4 attempts. Otherwise, you will be blocked. Again, you don't have to get panic in case if you get blocked, because that would be only for 24 hours, and after that you can redo the same process. And as I said, that you can raise the web form with all your concerns whatsoever you have before AOR, and once you receive the AOR, make sure to redo it. Don't forget that. just redo the same thing again. Now, based upon the current scenario, total time taking process you see here from AOR to ECOPR is generally from 2 to 6 weeks. This may go a little faster ever since this new immigration minister has took the charge. So yeah, there is a possibility, and I'll keep you posted. We are getting good number of rollouts, to be honest, guys, after the elections and after this new immigration minister is on board. Uh, and the time taking process from ECOPR to PR card, it's actually from 4 to 6 weeks. Again, it varies from case to case, and so goes for your AOR to ECOPR. If you would like to go about the recent timelines under stream A, B, and IG stream, I have been covering a lot, so you can always go back to my channel and check my recent videos where I even have shared the cases where applicant got the AOR within 5 days, to be precise, like exact 5 days where he got the AOR, and then within that time period he got the ECOPR. Now, I will be talking about the timeline towards the end, like the total time taking process and what kind of cases they are picking up. So this is the first timeline under IG stream, May 6th at 2:55 p.m. Eastern Time Zone, where the candidate got the AOR on October 25th. There was an ADR again for 5669 form, and COPR was received on November 22nd. So here, if you see, the card was linked on December 15. So when you actually see here that he got the PR card on December 20th, there are so many applicants who were able to link up their card even before that, like even on December 11th, December 12th, and they are still not in a position to get the PR card. So this varies from case to case. There is nothing you can do about. However, if you see this message registration pending under the GCKey account, I would strongly recommend to reach out to IRCC. Like after receiving the ECOPR, and after linking the application for PR card, if you're seeing that registration pending, please try to get in touch with IRCC, and they should be able to help you out with more of your queries. Moving on to another timeline, this is of May 6th at 4:35 p.m. Eastern Time Zone. So why I'm sharing is with you guys is that he got the AOR, he got the email credentials that was on December 14th, like almost a week ago. There was no ADR, and still there is no ECOPR in this case. So just make sure that this is a normal scenario. Not everybody is getting through within 5 days time period from PR confirmation portal to ECOPR. So yeah, just wait and watch, and yeah, keep trying to link up your application if you can. Another timeline is 7 p.m. Eastern Time Zone under IG stream on May 6th. This candidate was able to link up the application yesterday on December 20th, and there was an ADR for PCC. So if you see here, the PCC in this case, his PCC got expired on December 16th. However, he did not travel outside Canada in last 6 months. As per the rule, in case if you have not traveled, of course you can submit the PCC whatsoever you have, but make sure it has to be within valid time period. In this case, if you are in the same boat, I would recommend please submit your old PCC and try to apply for the new one if you can, and just submit the confirmation receipt for the new one so that IRCC visa officer knows that you have applied for the new one. Also, if you want to submit the expired one, you can certainly do that, and make sure that you write the explanation letter that I have not traveled outside Canada in last 6 months time period. In case if visa officer wants you to resubmit that, there would be another ADR. So yeah, it's totally a decision of visa officer here. Okay, so this is the update here, what we have. So IG stream, it's actually May 6th to again from 12 to 8:10. This is the latest what we have. And stream A, stream B, no change. It's again from May 6th to August 23rd. And as I said, that French stream, of course, still August 23rd. Guys, please make sure you know it that there are cases where, like in first 40 to 50 minutes time period, they're still waiting for the AOR and ability to link up the application. And there are applications where they even submitted during the time of like 6 o'clock or maybe 7 o'clock in the evening, and they got through the process of AOR and are even able to link up the application. So it varies from case to case. So it's just a matter of time. I hope this has been little help to you guys. And in case if you have any questions, you can always check these tips and tricks again. And yeah, you can always write back to me. And for more updates, you can subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and stay safe, guys. Bye.